Let's talk about pushing your UTM information to your CRM system. In the video above, we talked about how UTM data can be analyzed en masse or on an individual basis in Gecko, but what if you want that data somewhere else so that you can analyze it using a different set of tools? Well, it's incredibly simple to do. The first thing to do would be to go to Forms, click into the form that you're looking to track, and make sure that you add some hidden fields to your form. And that can be done by just clicking Form Field, scrolling down and clicking Hidden. Now, as the name implies, hidden fields will never ever be visible to students. They are by nature hidden, but we can use these to sneak and fill information into these hidden fields, and also make use of Gecko's wonderful integration tools to tell Gecko where to push the value in this field in your CRM system. Now, once your fields are added to your form, we'll want to go ahead and give them useful and helpful names. So let's maybe call one of them UTM source. Crucially, we're going to change the template tag as well. I'm going to call this source. We're going to change this one to UTM medium, and we'll change this to medium. Of course, you could change these to any names you want. I'm just trying to keep this nice and clear, and you'll see where we're going with this very shortly. So we have source, we have medium, and we have term. And I'm going to go ahead and save my form. Now, again, just to illustrate, these are hidden fields. You've got a little eye showing that you can't see them there. If we open up our form, students will never see them, but those fields are definitely there. Now, how can we use them? Well, we can actually pre-fill these with values that we know are going to be relevant. So for a very quick example, let's imagine that we're sharing this form on Facebook and also on Twitter for whatever reason. Let's go to the Share tab. Let's go to pre-populate fields, and we'll notice that we can actually predefine the values that are going to be living in these individual fields. So source, we could say Facebook, for example. We could add another field, and we could say the medium is going to be post 1, and we will say the term is, I don't know what you put in term, let's put 83, because why not? Now, at the minute, the link to the form is just the very basic form, but if we click update link, we'll see that that link has been updated with that UTM information. So if I share this form link with students on Facebook, this meta information is going to be coming into Gecko and filling in those hidden fields. And let's illustrate this with a very quick example. Back on Gecko, let's view that response. We can see that that UTM information is included right here, Facebook post 183. From there, it's a relatively simple process of pushing across the information to your CRM system. Again, this is going to differ on a CRM by CRM basis, but make sure you have an attribute where you're wanting to push this to in the CRM, which is tracked on Gecko. That'll mean that you can come into the UTM source field or whichever of your hidden fields, go to the integrations tab, find the integration of choice, and then scroll down to find that field. I don't know why we'd push this to favorite chocolate, but let's just roll with it. And now when that form submission comes in, Gecko is going to be pushing the value in this field and over to that particular field on your CRM.